Hail from Kentucky. This is Andrea from Loving Ivy Farm. Oh, she probably got wet too.
Okay.
Do you like the baby goats? Dina, you like the baby goats? Yeah. She has well. Yeah, she's trying to sound like a baby goat. Where are they going? Where are they going, Miss Dina?
She's being very careful.
Yeah, there's some big rocks that'll trip you up, that's for sure.
She tripped on one up there and she looked at me like, Mom, what happened? It's like somebody finally speaks my language.
She's gonna catch up with them. She's so cute.
Careful, Vina. Be careful.
Do my grandbaby's first introduction to goats. And you know, if I try to go over there, well, Odin and Sable will run off. See, Odin and Sable are Purdy's two babies. And Purdy's coming to check on him.
Davina.
Where you going? Gonna make a farm girl out of her yet. Everybody's enjoying the sun after so many days of rain. I mean, this is really weird winter weather, isn't it? Is she just following the road? Davina, where you going?
Go this way. Look, puppy.
She says, well, I'm going to walk around you, Mom.
She might start screaming. I don't know if I want them to hear you.
All right. Well, ta-ta from Kentucky. That's my grandbaby. One of them.